Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 14th and almost at the end of the week. So let's go ahead and go over the watch list for the day. So today I was watching DPW. I was watching, but it did have a crazy move. Let me show you real quick. So DPW, yeah, yesterday it kind of ran a bit, but then, it came down. I think they released some news and it took off from there. But when it opened up today, it's holding on. It may run later on, but this is not my type of stock. Actually, you can see it's just so many wicks everywhere. So it's definitely a choppy one, but it may run later on. You never know. But something I'm staying away from. So, and then I was watching EXPR DTSS was also choppy. CNET, OGEN, HEXO is just down here, but it popped up on my other scanner, and a few other stocks. So I traded today HEXO, CEMI, LXRX, DTSS, and OGEN. So my best trade today was, I believe, on LXRX. I got in at 497, got out at 513. So if we pull up LXRX, oh wow, it went even much higher. I stopped watching it after I left. But the entry at like 540 could have been golden. But anyways, I got in around, what was my entry again? I got in at 497, got out at 513. So I got in around this area right here for the break at this point. Let me draw the line. So I got in around this area, and then the $5 was right there. So I broke that and then sold some on the way up. Obviously sold too early, but came back down later on and then took off from there. It's one of those things I can't stay for that long in trade because I also have a day job. So I can't stay here all day, right? So I try to only trade in the early morning, and that's about it. So yeah, this was the best trade. And then so after that trade, I was up about $270. But then trade on HEXO, that's where I gave away $100. I was looking for a break of this ascending triangle, but it didn't work out. I guess it broke a little bit later, but even then it couldn't sustain. So I was looking for this break of 740. And that did not happen. So, and then I just gave up on it and got out for a 10-cent loss. So, yeah, that was that. And then I was also watching RDEX. Wow, crazy moves. I missed so many moves today. That's just crazy. I was watching for this 303 spot. After I didn't break him down here, I stopped watching it, but it took off again from there. Crazy move. Wow. Yeah, I missed a lot of trades today, but nonetheless, you can't catch everything. I'm up 175 for the day, and I'm happy with that. And so far, it's been a green streak. This month, I have 0 red days, which is good. I like to keep it going. But again, I'm just trading my setups. I'm not worried about the P&L. Whatever setup I see, that's good setup. I just take it. So other than that, hopefully you guys are green, followed your plan. Let me know if you guys like these videos, and yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow.